Hey, good morning, you guys. Well, I spent the night at the cabin, and first thing this morning, I'm going to be getting some work done. I'm hoping to get a new set of stairs put on the patio because those stairs have been here since I started the cabin from the ground up. So I think it's time to switch them out. So yeah, I'm going to be getting started on that today, and hopefully they'll turn out great. So anyways, you guys, if you're new to the channel, like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. Anyways, you guys, these are pretty old steps. They were on the first cabin. So the plan today is that I want to get rid of these and hopefully I can use the scrap lumber for something else. But anyways, these are going to come off and we're going to replace them with some newer steps. So shouldn't take too long today. I'm not going to be too fancy, but then again, what does that mean for me when I say not too fancy? Okay, you guys, let's get to work. Sorry, you guys, I'm going to have to run the generator again. But that's the only way I can get power. Sorry about that. Well, that's our project for today. It's not exactly what I had in mind, but at least I'll have something to hold on to when you climb the stairs. But I'm really glad that we got the steps changed out. I was really putting it off for some time, but I'm glad I finally got it done. But I'm not going to do too much with the ground right now because it's still in the middle of thawing. So as soon as the ground thaws out a little bit more, I'm going to be putting some gravel underneath the steps, or maybe even some stone. So anyways, I got some more projects lined up, and enjoy the rest of the day.